Hello guys, welcome back to another interesting vlog. In this video, I am going to show our recent visit to Koheda Hanuman Temple, which is around 25 kilometers from Hyderabad. So this is a beautiful hidden place, a perfect place for day hikes and adventure activities and for photo shoots. You can go with your family members and visit Hanuman Temple on hilltop. Please do watch the video till the end. For more information, check the description.
Ah